Welcome to Philippine TVET Skills for Success. Today, we're diving into the Animal Production for Ruminants National Certificate Level 2. This is your ticket to a real, hands-on career in the super important field of agriculture.
So what's it all about? Well, think of it as your official stamp of approval for professionally raising ruminants, animals like cattle, goats, and sheep. And this isn't just about reading books, it's about proving you've got the essential skills for the real world.
All right, so you get the certificate. What's next? What kind of doors does it actually open for you? Let's take a look at the career paths it paves.
The great thing is, you're not locked into just one thing. You can go broad and become a general livestock farmer, or you can really dive deep into high-demand areas, whether that's working with big cattle, raising goats, or focusing on dairy. Let's touch on each one.
As a general livestock farmer, you're kind of the all-rounder. You'd be managing the day-to-day health, the feeding, and the production of a whole mix of animals.
Or maybe you want to specialize as a cattle farm worker. This usually means working on a much larger scale, focusing on the beef industry, which is a huge cornerstone of our food supply.
You could also tap into the growing market for smaller ruminants. As a goat farmer, you'd be meeting a rising demand for very specific meat and dairy products. It's a really interesting space.
And finally, you could focus purely on dairy. This is a highly skilled role that's absolutely vital for producing the milk, cheese, and other dairy products we all rely on every single day.
So how exactly do you get good enough for these jobs? Well, the program is built around 5 core skills that take you from the absolute basics all the way to specialized production. It's a really smart path. You start with the foundation, making sure the housing and facilities are right. From there, you'll learn about providing forage. That's the food that fuels the animals. Then you get into the science of breeding before you finally specialize in raising animals for either dairy or for meat.
Now, just to give you a taste of how practical this is, let's zoom in on just one of those skills, raising dairy animals. You see how hands-on this gets? You learn the entire cycle, from helping with births and raising the young ones, all the way to collecting, pasteurizing, and packaging the milk. It's about ensuring it's top quality and safe for everyone.
See? This is so much more than just a course. It's a complete toolkit designed to make you genuinely job-ready from day one.
So, if you're ready to turn your interest in animals into an actual profession, this qualification is one of the most direct and practical ways to make that happen.
With the Animal Production NC2, you gain the skills, you earn the certification, and you unlock your success. You're positioning yourself to be a key part of the industry that feeds our nation. So the only question left is, what role are you going to play?